Keeping a pigeon as a pet is a choice that requires reflection, commitment, and an appreciation for subtlety. Pigeons are ubiquitous in cities and towns around the world, yet they are rarely truly seen. Many people overlook them, dismissing them as ordinary urban birds, nuisances even, despite their remarkable history alongside humans. Pigeons have shared human spaces for thousands of years, long before dogs became sofa companions or cats ruled households. Historically, they have been messengers, carrying crucial communications across continents, saving lives in times of war, and returning faithfully to the people who cared for them. Choosing to keep a pigeon today is not about domesticating a wild animal. It is about reconnecting with one of humanity's oldest animal partnerships, a bond built on trust, routine, and quiet companionship. A pet pigeon offers a form of companionship that is calm, understated, and profoundly consistent. Unlike many modern pets that demand attention, entertainment, or high-energy interaction, pigeons provide a steady presence. They observe carefully, respond when trust has been established, and offer subtle signs of affection without requiring drama or noise. This makes pigeons ideal companions for those who appreciate peaceful environments and who derive satisfaction from quiet, dependable relationships rather than overt displays of excitement or performance. Their calm temperament can be grounding, almost meditative, providing emotional balance in an otherwise hectic household. One of the most notable advantages of keeping a pigeon is its naturally gentle temperament. Pigeons rarely exhibit aggression, and intentional biting is uncommon. Their movements are deliberate, their reactions measured, and their responses predictable. Unlike parrots, which can scream, shred furniture, or develop challenging behaviors without complex enrichment, pigeons remain understated in their habits. Their vocalizations consist mainly of soft cooing, which many people find soothing. In a shared indoor environment, this low volume is a significant benefit. Pigeons do not demand attention constantly. Instead, they offer companionship through their presence, their calm curiosity, and the occasional gentle interaction. Pigeons are also emotionally sophisticated creatures. They are naturally pair bonding and social, forming deep attachments to other pigeons in their flock. When a pigeon is kept as a pet, these instincts often transfer to the human caretaker. Over time, a pigeon may recognize a particular person's voice, follow them from room to room, or choose to rest nearby. The gestures of affection are subtle, positioning themselves close, adjusting posture to indicate comfort, and engaging in gentle preening behavior. For those who pay attention, these signs of trust and attachment can be remarkably moving. The emotional bond is quiet but deep, a persistent reassurance of connection rather than a display of drama. Intelligence is another frequently underestimated trait of pigeons. Pet pigeons can learn routines quickly, remember locations, and anticipate predictable events. They can recognize feeding patterns, respond to the presence of their caretaker, and adapt to indoor living with surprising efficiency. Many pigeons can even learn simple tasks, such as navigating to a perch or interacting with toys, especially when guided through consistent routines. Their ability to understand patterns and schedules makes them remarkably adaptable, allowing indoor care to be manageable with attention and planning. Some pigeons can even become partially litter-trained, demonstrating their cognitive flexibility and responsiveness to structured care. From a practical standpoint, pigeons are relatively straightforward to maintain, but they do have specific needs. A balanced diet is fundamental, consisting of seeds, grains, legumes, and fresh leafy greens. Clean, fresh water must always be available, and access to grit and mineral supplements supports digestion and overall health. Bathing opportunities are essential for feather maintenance, and many pigeons enjoy regular baths, which also enrich their daily routine. Housing can be indoor or outdoor. But the environment must be safe, clean, and structured. Indoor pigeons require a designated resting area, ideally elevated, reflecting their instinctual preference for height as a measure of security. Outdoor pigeons need enclosures that provide protection from predators, variable weather, and environmental hazards. Health considerations are also significant. Pigeons are generally hardy, but like all animals, they benefit from preventative care. Regular observation is crucial, as birds often hide signs of illness until conditions become severe. Subtle changes in behavior, posture, appetite, or preening habits may indicate health concerns. Access to an avian veterinarian is essential for regular checkups and vaccinations where applicable. Preventative measures, including diet management and hygiene, can significantly reduce the risk of illness, ensuring longevity and quality of life for the bird. Despite these advantages, keeping a pigeon comes with challenges. One of the most important considerations is lifespan. Pigeons can live well over 10 years, sometimes 15 or more. This long-term commitment is substantial, requiring consistent daily care. Unlike short-term pets, pigeons cannot be left unattended for days, and arrangements for travel or temporary absence must be carefully planned. Their long lives are rewarding, but they demand foresight, preparation, and sustained attention. Cleanliness is another factor that prospective pigeon owners must consider. Pigeons produce droppings frequently, which must be cleaned to maintain hygiene, especially indoors. While droppings are generally less odorous than those of other birds, consistency is key. Feather dust is usually minimal but can accumulate and affect sensitive individuals. Some keepers use pigeon garments indoors to manage hygiene, but not all pigeons tolerate clothing. Understanding and managing these realities is essential to creating a successful living arrangement. Space and opportunity for movement are critical to a pigeon's health. Pigeons are strong flyers and require adequate space to stretch their wings, hop, and exercise. Even indoor pigeons benefit from supervised flight or safe free-roaming areas. Insufficient movement can lead to muscular atrophy, poor feather quality, and behavioral issues. Properly accommodating these needs requires planning, whether through designated flight areas, larger aviaries, or structured indoor exercise routines. Social needs can further complicate care. Pigeons are inherently flock-oriented. A single pigeon requires regular human interaction to remain emotionally balanced. Introducing multiple pigeons introduces additional considerations, including managing pair bonds, breeding behavior, and egg laying. Without careful attention, these dynamics can create stress for the birds and ethical dilemmas for the caretaker. Understanding and respecting social instincts is essential for the well-being of all pigeons in the household. Public perception is another challenge. Many people view pigeons as pests, associating them with dirt or disease. This stigma can create practical obstacles, including difficulties in securing housing, managing visitors, or finding knowledgeable veterinarians. Owners may face skepticism or misunderstanding about the value of pigeons as companion animals. Emotional attachment to a pigeon is often private and not socially recognized, which can leave caretakers feeling isolated or misunderstood. Ethical considerations are central to responsible ownership. Healthy wild pigeons should not be removed from their natural environment unless necessary. Most domestic pet pigeons originate from rescue situations, injured birds, abandoned domestics, or pigeons that cannot survive independently. In these cases, keeping a pigeon is an ethical act of care, offering security and sustenance rather than exploitation. Understanding the provenance of the bird and prioritizing welfare is essential. Emotionally, pigeons can leave a lasting impact. Their quiet presence, consistent trust, and gentle behavior foster strong emotional bonds. These bonds are subtle yet profound. Loss, when it occurs, is emotionally significant, often underappreciated by those outside the circle of pigeon keepers. Recognizing and valuing this emotional investment is part of responsible and meaningful ownership. In conclusion, keeping a pigeon as a pet is neither simple nor casual. It demands patience, observation, commitment, and acceptance of both the joys and limitations of life with a pigeon. In return, it offers a companionship unlike that of most domestic animals, a combination of calm presence, emotional subtlety, and deep trust that develops over time. For those who value consistency, quiet connection, and the fulfillment of tending to a creature with intelligence, social depth, and historical significance, a pigeon is far more than a pet. It is a partner, a witness, and a companion whose steady presence enriches the rhythm of daily life, reminding the keeper of a bond that is centuries old, quietly enduring, and profoundly human in its connection.